Hello, so this is the first time I'm ever going to try to open up my own Pokemon cards. I've been trying to get them for a while, and I finally went to Target, and I finally got some. So we're going to open up this one. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Crustle. Manectric, that's really cool. I like that one. Coughing, Team Rocket. Floatzel, that's cool artwork. Team Rocket. Whoops. Claydol, that's cool. That's Steven's Claydol, so that's cool, I think. Yeah, it is. This is right up there. Rotom, that's cool. Oh, isn't that a cute little Growlithe? Isn't he cute? Swellow, that's cool. Electabuzz. And the last one, just a basic energy. Thank you.